Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to talk about amazing token that is big data coins. Guys, we will provide all detail about that project in our video. So please watch our video till end. So before starting the video, we have a little request for you guys. If you never subscribe our channel yet, so guys please subscribe the channel and also press the bell button to receive the every notification from our video. And the main part, guys, we are not the financial advisor, so always do your own research and then invest. So now guys, we have to move forward to the websites and begins the video review. So guys, that is the website. That name is bigdatacoins.io. I will provide the website link in the video description. You can easily find the website. So now guys, we can talk about in fully details. So guys, first of all, the project represents a powerful and unique idea in the field of blockchain and artificial intelligence. The core concept is to create a decentralized data market where user can surely and anonymously sell their personal data and receives rewards in BTC coin. So the platform is built on blockchain to ensure a complete transparency and incorporates artificial intelligence to access the data quality and determine a fair prices. Even more exciting is that the project is currently running a live drop campaign. So if you are interested in earning some free coins, check out the link in the description. And the full part, we have also launched a telegram bot and helps users easily join the ecosystem even without finding the cryptocurrency wallet initially. So now guys, we can talk about in details. Building platform is common and you can check out everyone shares their data, earn fair rewards and get their profits. So guys, you can easily buy the token. First of all, we can check out the about. Big data coins is revolutionary digital currency built on a Solana blockchain and combining the power of blockchain artificial intelligence to create the decentralized data economy. So guys, we can talk about their tokenomics and roadmap in our movement. First of all guys, we can check out their white paper. In the white paper sections, you can check out they have solved the many problems and they have given all the answer of the problems in their white paper. So you can check out all the details there. You can check out their overview, how it works, what is their mainly guys goal. Second phase, you can check out the problems and their solutions. First of all, centralized data ownership, that is the big problem for the project. Major corporations that control the profit from users data without compensing users. And second phase, you can check out decentralized economy enables peer-to-peer data transparency and cut out the intermediators. You can check out the AI database quality assessments and smart contracts. And you can also check out the many things like technology and infrastructure. They have also launched a business model and there are tokenomics. And for the tokenomics details, we can move forward to the. So now guys, we can talk about their core team. So a diverse committed team with experts across blockchain, software complements and marketing. First of all, Faisal Jaber is the founder of BDT Coin and Umar is the legal advertiser. Lubna is the software engineer and marketing lead. Muhammad and Abdurrahman is software developer of the BDT Coin. So guys, that is the team of big data coins. You can check out there are details in their white paper. So easily you can check out the white paper in the website, or I will give the white paper in link in the video description as well. So now guys, move forward to the coin market cap. You can check out the recently post of BTT coin. Bitcoin is building a decentralized economy on a Solana at a big coins or creating a new approach to data ownership throughout the blockchain and AI. Why BTC coin? A privacy first platform blockchain based on the data sharing. You can check out there are details on the guys coin market cap, your data, your power backed by blockchain. That is the recently post of the community of coin market cap. You can check out there are details. I'll provide that link as well in the video description. You can check out the all details there. That is the community link. You can check out the website as well. So guys, the platform is in early access phase and development is moving quickly. You can explore more about the project via website. So all that links will be provided to you. Simply you can check out and do your deeply research in it. So now guys, we can check out the medium as well. BTT coin, you can check out, sorry, BTC coin. You can check out top reasons to join the BTC community today. You can check out the pin post like your complete guide to claiming free BTC coin and your first BTC survey, what expect, how to earn fast, and all that answers and questions are given in the medium. So I will provide that link as well. You can check out the all details. So that is the medium. You can check out simply all details about it in the medium section. The tokenomics, like total supply of the token is that amount. You can check out the public's sale and investor, that is for 60% team and advertiser, for 10% airdrop campaign, that is for 5% marketing campaign is 5% reserve strategic of buffer, that is for 20%, and vesting for a 12-month. Check out the smart contract there. So now guys, we can talk about the details of roadmap. You can check out the full screen, like full screen roadmap. They have completed their 4 phases, and now they have on the phase 5 and Q4 2025 public launch and IDO September 11. They have they will do the airdrop ends September, and October 2025 they will do initial DEX offering and listing on the major DEX and liquidity pools. They will do the launch of the governance and the systems, mobile app development, and iOS and Android begins, and SDK and API release will be developers. You can check out the main thing they have completed, that is for project initiations. They have found foundations and building infrastructure and team testing. They have MVP and AI integrations completed already, and community growth and airdrop, they are just doing it. So you can check out the many things as well. They will do guys in 2026, like partnership listing on a major trading platforms, ongoing product updates. Overall the roadmap is sold and the base is measured and demonstrate a real gradual and progress. So guys, we need to move forward to the back, and we can talk about how we can buy it. Simply guys, you can click on the buy button. Countdown is already started. 48 days are guys uh, guys on the closing, and you can check out in that phase. You can check out their IDO countdown, and you can buy tokens after that guys ending of the period. And you can check out their roadmap in their pitch deck, their telegram bot, their smart contract explorer. Check out the update on their social media, their Twitter, Facebook, Telegram. So I'll also show their board in the last part of the video. If you are going to be guys their X, you can follow them on X for the newly updates. They will give the all updates their newly post on their X and different Telegram and Facebook social medias. You can easily join it and get the newest update from their social medias as well. So guys, you can simply follow them on the X, and I will drop the link of their social medias in the video description as well. You can simply join it them. So guys, this is the guys website. So I'll put all links in my video description. You can contact them as well for the 24/7 updates. They will active on their social media as well. You can mail them to get the any information from them. So now guys, we have to move forward to the mobile screen. There I will show you how we can use their telegram bot. So guys, we are on the board. You can simply click on the start button, then the launch, and then guys the screen will be open to you. Simply you need to create the account via email or via WhatsApp. So you need to put your number, passwords, and OTP there, and need to click on the confirm button. And after it your account will be open. Simply you will receive the code via WhatsApp. Get the WhatsApp code there, and simply click on the confirm button. So then guys you have to click on the let's start button. That is the officially guys platform page. You can check out the take surveys, total points we have 10, and check out the guys weekly progress. And if you click on the me button, you can check out your users, your points, daily achievements there. And then guys you can check out, like if you want to invite any guys friends, you can simply put their number, click on the invite section, or also you can copy the link and send it to your friends as well. So you can check out their social medias as well. So from social media you will get the earning as well.